This is a 2009 Harley Davidson Ultra Classic with a Hannigan Classic Twin Sidecar attached to it. This is a really cool touring setup. You can take your wife or your girlfriend or your kids or your dog with you, or pack a lot of gear. The color of this rig is Deep Turquoise and Antique White. That is a Harley Davidson color. This rig has 11,840 original miles. It's hardly broke in, hardly been used. Has the 96 cubic inch engine, 6-speed transmission, and it has a manual reverse on it so you can back up easily with it. The bike is basically stock. It has an upgraded Harley Davidson touring seat. It has the extended mirrors for a better view out back, chrome gauge rings, nice Harley Davidson fuel door. There's a gear shift indicator right there from Harley Davidson. Nice 6-gallon tank. Screaming Eagle mufflers have been added so you can actually hear the bike run. It does have the CB. Extra lights on the back for great visibility. The lights on the back of the bike and then on the back of the sidecar you will be seen. Just an awesome retro color from Harley Davidson. Now the sidecar has been accessorized by Hannigan. It has the luggage rack, the extra lights, huge trunk. You put a lot of gear in the bottom of that. And then a luggage rack, not counting the stuff you can put in the saddlebags and the tour pack on the bike. Side lights, the mag wheels are an option. Has a little headlight here built into the front. And to make it easy to get in and out of for your passenger or your kids or your dog, the lid comes up, and with the step, it's easy in and out. Now it also has a tonneau cover. That's what all these things are, and you can cover this completely up if you have your gear in there that you don't want to get wet. Nice big windshield. This is just one really cool rig. You know, at some point or another we may all get to where we need to get off two wheels and get onto a trike. Well, this is an alternative that just looks really, really cool. You can take the whole family with you. The paint job on the Hannigan was matched to the bike, including even the pinstriping matches. Very nice job. The tires are all good. Has a fresh service. Being the Ultra Classic, it does have the cruise control. Oh, and it does have one really nice option for the Hannigan part, for the sidecar. Sorry about that. Right here is an electronic camber control, which adjusts the tilt of the bike and the sidecar, so you can get just the right ride out of it with the passenger or the road conditions for optimal handling. Very nice option. It also has a disc brake kit for the mag wheel, so you have a lot of stopping power with this sidecar rig. Well, let's go ahead and get her fired up. She sounds good with the Screaming Eagle mufflers on her. Not too loud, but enough to where you can hear the bike run. If you're in the market for a new touring rig, or if you're in the market for a sidecar, or you're thinking it's time to convert over to 3 wheels, this is an alternative to a trike. With a lot more room, a lot of fun to ride, something completely different for bike night. For information on how to put this really cool looking 2009 Harley Davidson Ultra Classic side hack with a Hannigan Classic Twin Sidecar, please give Will a call at Dream Cycles USA. We can be reached at 417-343-3696. Can be found on the web at www.dreamcyclesusa.com. Now, our prices are out the door. We don't charge all the dealer mystery fees. Just a good, fair, honest price for a really cool looking sidecar rig. So give us a call and see if we can put it together and put this beauty in your garage. Thank you.